The JOST Group is an enterprise which was founded in 1952 as a factory for ball bearing turntables in Neu-Isenburg near Frankfurt, Germany. Our products are amongst the most frequently used components in the truck and trailer sector today. Convinced by the excellence of what we do, all the major manufacturers place their trust in JOST. JOST India tradition of success based on flexibility, technical know-how, entrepreneurial action, and a close relationship with our employees. Sequence of service procedure: JOST India trailer axle 13-ton. Before starting service activity, please ensure availability of necessary tools. Removal of hubcap. Use special tool to open hubcap. Ensure O-ring is okay. If not, replace it. Open wheel nut. Use appropriate tool. Remove brake drum gently. Ensure all wheel nuts and bolts are okay. Check brake drum for any breakage, crack, and its wear. To open axle nut, first of all, unlock locking bolt. Ensure locking bolt and washer are okay. If not, replace them. By using special tool, unlock axle nut and remove gently. Ensure threads of the axle nut are okay. Remove hub bearing gently. Check condition of grease seal, bearing, and ensure any crack in the hub, dent in the bearing area. If any abnormality found, replace. Removing brake lining. Remove fixed point spring gently. To remove brake shoes, lift the lower brake shoe of the anchor point side and remove it by twisting 180 degrees. Remove the brake linings and clean the brake shoes. Check the roller and circlips of the brake shoes for wear and replace if needed. Remove slack adjuster. Check the spline of slack adjuster. If required, replace it. To remove camshaft, open all rubber seal locking clamps. Remove snap ring from the groove of the spline shaft profile. Check spherical bearing. If there is wear, replace it. Check cam profile. If there is wear, replace it. Open the dust cover. If there is any bend or defect, replace it. Assembly of child parts. Insert all circlips, washers, O-rings into the camshaft. Place pre-assembled camshaft with camshaft kit components. Insert slack adjuster on the spline of the shaft and lock it with collar lock nut. Apply torque 150 plus minus 20 Newton meters. Before mounting brake shoe, apply grease on anchor point, cam profile and other frictional areas. JOST recommends copper paste Molykote CU 7439. To mount brake shoe, place the upper brake shoe C-hook on upper anchor point, roller at cam profile. Twist lower brake shoe at 180 degrees and assemble it to lower anchor point. Mount fixed point spring to clamp both anchor points. Use mallet if needed. Hub assembly. Before assembly of hub, clean spindle with cotton properly. Mount impact ring and apply grease at the bearing area. Grease the roller bearing and mount it to the spindle. Put the hub carefully with grease sealing ring onto the spindle. Make sure that it does not get damaged. Mount outer bearing properly. Use mallet if required to fit it properly. Make sure all bearing and hub greasing activity is done in dust-free area. There should not be any contamination of grease from dust and other foreign particles. Wash and dry the hub. Manually fasten the axle nut. And then tighten the hub with 120 Newton meters, turning the hub in reverse direction. Secure the axle nut with secondary locking screw. Apply torque 20 to 25 Newton meters. Mount the brake drum. Tighten it to torque of 150 Newton meters so that during wheel rim assembly, the nut can be opened easily. Before mounting hubcap, ensure new O-ring is fitted to the hub groove. Mount the hubcap properly filled with grease. JOST recommended grease is Mobile Type XHP 222. Apply torque 350 Newton meters. Mount the dust cover and tighten the nut. Follow bellow table for routine inspection schedule of special parts. Service toolkit are available with JOST and can be purchased against order. For reinstallation, follow JOST installation instruction. We always recommend the use of only JOST original spare parts for longevity of your vehicle and tension-free driving. Leaflets and contact details are marked.